Let's take a look at some of the things we've been doing with our arrays and the rest of our work the past few days. I've got an int array named list. The type is int. The name is list. And it contains the values 93624. So if I out.println list.length, no parentheses for the array class variable named length. It's not an array class method, it's an array class variable, so there's no parentheses after length. So the length of this list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 items. Hopefully no surprise if we see a 5 on the screen. Okay. Good. Let me go ahead and make things a little bigger for us before I get going too far. All right, lovely. Okay. What else we've been doing? So we made that thing named list. Also make an array, perhaps AR, by not filling it in right away, but just saying new int and give it a size 5. Okay. I'll do the identical array both ways. So AR of 0 we will set to 9, and so on, right? You guys see what I'm doing? So 3, 6, position 1, position 2. And I'd keep on going out to position 3 and then position 4 with values 2 and 4. So a couple ways to make arrays and a couple ways to put values in the array. Okay. Let's practice the swap method. I'm trying to think of things that are on top of my mind that are important that I need to quiz you on. So let's go list 93624, and we'll send that list to a method called swap, which will swap, let's say position, let's swap position 1 and 3. So what's that going to do? Position 1 is a 3, and position 3 is a 2. It should swap the 3 and the 2 if we do it right. So a challenge for many of you I know right now, I don't take this for granted, you guys know this, you need to practice this. A challenge for many of you would be just to simply write the signature of the swap method. Can you type in public, all methods in a tester in a mains class are static, public static, void, swap, and now what's it get? It gets an int array. You can call it anything you want to. I'll call it AR. And then the positions you're going to swap. I'll say P1 and P2 for position 1 and 2. Then do you have these 3 lines of code down? You need to. What type is the array? It's int. So I'll make an int variable named temp. Set it equal to AR of P1. Okay. The students are not practicing this. What are they going to do? Well, a few of them are going to say int temp equals P1. We're not swapping the values in P1 and P2. We're swapping the values in position P1 and position P2 of this array up here. So this is wrong, and I see kids doing it. You probably do too. It's array of P1, AR of P1 equals AR of P2, and AR P2 equals temp. I can't imagine any professor or any textbook doing it any other way than exactly that way. They'll use a variable named temp, okay, and then the one value there, same value there, other value goes here and here, and then temp at the very end. It's kind of symmetrical. Okay, so there's our swap method. Let's go ahead and do a display method. That'll give us a chance to practice our enhanced for loops. So let's go display list. We'll do it before and we'll do it after. All right, so I'll just do it right here. Again, it's the challenge for some kids to just write the signature for the display class, the display method, I'm sorry, display method. Just writing the word public is a challenge. Static, void, display. What's going to display? What's it getting? What are you sending to it? We're sending to it list. What is list? It's an int array. So you can call it whatever you want to, A, AR, whatever. And now here comes our newest topic, the enhanced for loop. The enhanced for loop has the word for, and then something to the left and something to the right of a colon. And then out.println something. Okay, what goes to the left of the colon is a new variable, the same type as your array. So our array is type int, just call it var for variable. And then what goes to the right of the colon is the name of the array. And then we display var each time through. Good stuff, really good stuff. The kid who gets this understood today is going to be really good come May. I just can't emphasize that enough. I see it every year. Kids wait and wait and wait to master these enhanced for loops, and look at it. Look how easy that thing looks. No square brackets. I don't have to go length and length. It's just so much easier. And it's only got 2 parts compared to 3 parts of the other for loop. So now let's go ahead and make sure this thing works as we expect. And I put them all on different lines. That's dumb. Let me fix that. Let's go print var, and I'll put a space between them. How about when it's over, we do a print line too, just to give it a blank line, okay? If I don't do this line, then I'll have the 2 calls run together in the same line. This will separate them. You can try it at home, of course. Now run it. 5 was the length we displayed earlier, and I'm swapping the 3 and 2. You can see it was successful.